All right, y'all, we're taking that leftover prime rib from Christmas. We're going to make us up some delicious sandwiches. Start off by lubing up your griddle with that bacon up, pure bacon fat. Cooking up some onion, red bell pepper, and one jalapeno. When they get nice and softened up, we're going to lower the heat from medium down to medium low. Throw our prime rib on there and toast up our buns. It's only going to take about 2 minutes per side on that prime rib. You want to get it warm, but not overcook it. Keep it nice and moist and tender. Cut it up into strips. Your buns should be toasted by now. We're frying up 6 eggs. I got a mixture of sour cream and horseradish sauce that we're going to smear on these buns. Make it our base for our sandwich. Drizzle a little bit of that au jus on the meat as it heats back up, and we're going with a smoked provolone as our cheese. Putting that on our fried eggs. Lay your veggie base on top of that horseradish sauce, then your steak, and then your egg and your cheese, and boom, you are ready to devour. We'll go for a little swim here in the au jus, dip, and go for the bite. Hey, y'all, I hope you had a happy holiday season. I hope you're ready for New Year. Have a safe one, please. If you like what I'm doing, oh, yeah, that kicks. Woo! That horseradish is everything. Dang. If you like what I'm doing, click that follow button, y'all. I promise she's going to catch one day. And we'll keep cooking as long as y'all keep coming back.